Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, tap on menu option, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Okay, then tap on settings, tap on search bar, click on active status, just click. This active status is off, just click and on to turn off active status on Facebook. Okay, just click, then turn on off. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.